Hello everyone, today I will show you how to combine multiple JPG images into a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your Adobe Acrobat Pro DC software and go to JPG images folder, use JPG images and click right button and select properties and this JPG images, then another option. And simply drag your mouse, select all of these images or specific images and click right button, and here you will find this combine files in Acrobat. Click here and see this. All of this image is now open. Now you can change this image position. You can move it. Also you can remove you can add new image. Now select combine and see this. Our image is now converted to PDF file. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.